This is the highest snowfall we have.
Is that right?
For even, I think for the past, they recorded past 30 years.
It's so beautiful.
Hello. Hi.
All right, day one at the slopes. Hey, so here's Arthur and Mom. Already got their skis on.
So this is Alex.
Arthur's showing off some skills there. Hey, look at that. There she is.
Which way? This way or that way?
Way.
This way?
On your left, Mom. On your left. Arthur and I are at the starting line. We're gonna race down to the bottom. On your mark, get set, go. There he is. Here's Mom. Hey, Mom. Hey, I passed Mom on the way down here. Good game. There's Arthur. Arthur!
Me, I stop there.
The monkeys, they were like, ooh, this is amazing. The people who owned the lodge weren't very happy. The locals were like, okay, let's make a natural hot spring just for the monkeys. And surprisingly, the monkeys actually went in their own hot springs.
The monkeys here, they really don't care about us at all. They're just doing their own thing. And sometimes they come really close to us, like walk between our legs, or they could be just sitting right here. That's okay, as long as you don't go close to them. They don't get scared.
They are the chillest, most tamest monkeys that you'll ever see. But again, they are very cute, but please do not touch them.
Only mothers and babies would go inside the water, because the male doesn't like getting wet, because it'll make them look smaller and weaker. So last year they had about 40 babies in the troop. Very cute, and they have very strong bond with the mothers. They're really, really adorable to watch. So they're still wild monkeys. They would go back to the woods at night to sleep on the trees. And this particular troop in the park is just one big troop of about 300 monkeys.
The monkey park established in the 1960s. So the monkeys stayed there, but they got hungry. So what happened was they would come down to the towns and to the villages and steal from the local farmers. And so the monkey park staff were like, okay, what do we need to do? They experimented on how to keep the monkeys out of the snow monkey park by distributing small grains of barley. One of the monkey staff who has a blue hat could be distributing barley today. And all the monkeys gather around eating the barley. The staff will distribute small grains of barley inside the hot spring as well. And they swim. It's really cute.
Hi, going good.
Day 2 of skiing. I'm gonna take this green down and meet Mom at the bottom. All right, let's rock and roll.
The other way that I saw you, I say, I better just stay close to you. So here's Alex on the cliff with me. We're getting off.
Can't see a thing here. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay. You're just gonna, okay, so you're gonna go down to this. This is a nice scenic run.
All right, so follow me. Woo! Whoa! Sorry. All right, too fast.
Had a really good time, but I actually landed the biggest jump I think I've ever landed. I got like 8 or 9 feet in the air.
Built at the end of 16th century, almost 430 years ago. Japan was in the warring period at the time. And there were many civil wars all over the country, so the castle was built as strong as possible. Fortunately, Matsumoto Castle was never attacked. And so it's the oldest castle in original form in Japan.
Nice work. How did it feel?
Felt good.
Here goes Arthur. Nice!
It's recording? Hello, me.
See you!
Woo!
It's like you're giving a wish to Buddha.
When I wrote, my oldest son very healthy, my two younger sons safe and happy.
I'm right behind you if anything happens. You got this.
You say they're not very steep.
It wasn't very steep for that first part. You need some help?
I can't turn.
You want me to get underneath you and help you out? Almost there. It's right down there. You got it. You're doing great. Almost there.
It's so long.
Okay, Mom, you did it. How does it feel to have gotten down the Black Diamond?
Relieved, glad. I'm done for the day for Black.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
There's a snow monkey here. Oh, here's another monkey. Wow, that is very cool. Oh, even more. Right by our hotel.
How come there's so many monkeys that come in here?
They like the snow here. Come again the next season.
If you promise this much snow, we will.
If you come, you bring all the snow.
Oh, okay.